YouTube, it's Nikki from Nikki Lilly. So today I'm here with my sister Tasha.
Hello!
And she's not been on the channel for a while. And also, what have you recently done?
I have got my own YouTube channel.
Yes, so I will link that down below, and we are also going to be filming a video on her channel.
We're going to be doing the sibling tag.
Yes, so we're going to film that after this. But today we're going to be doing a Q&A slash, I don't know how to pronounce it.
MUKBANG.
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 So today we're going to be doing a Q&A. I asked you lovely people on Instagram to send us in some questions, and we're going to be answering them whilst we do a mukbang and eat Domino's.
I can't wait to eat. I can just smell it and
Mine's
I just want
not
to shove it all in.
Mine's not open yet. We've not had Domino's for a long time.
No. Well, actually, tell a lie, I had it a few days ago at uni.
Tasha! She was like to me, I really fancy a Domino's. I've not had one for ages. Little did I know. Mine's a small one because I've got a small little tummy. Look, so I've got pineapple, basically a Hawaiian pizza, pineapple and ham. Guys,
Classic.
question. Do you think pineapple belongs on a pizza? Tasha doesn't, I do.
Most certainly not.
I really like it.
You should do a poll.
It's like, yes! Oh my god, I'm actually going to do a poll on this video. Okay, should we get into the questions?
Yes.
Right, I don't want this to fall off.
Oh, oopsies.
Keep saying
Is there a garlic dip on the floor?
Yeah, should I get it?
Yes, please.
So my Instagram is Nikki Lilly.
Tasha,
that went on my leg! Tasha! I just washed these! And it's on my floor!
Sorry, it's on the floor as well. Do you want some assistance?
Oh my god.
Put some perfume on it.
No, it's not in it. If you want to be involved with future Q&As or future things that I do on Instagram, then make sure to follow me and Tasha on Instagram. My Instagram is NikkiLilly_
And mine is Natasha Christie.
There you go. Oh my god! Okay, right. What annoys you about each other?
I'd say what annoys me about Nikki is, I don't know, I feel like I can't do it based on now, because I've only seen you once since I've been at uni, but before another thing would be, we'll be watching TV and Nikki will just come in and decide to play the piano, and the piano's in the same room as the TV, so we've got no choice but to pause the TV because we can't hear it. It's either the piano or the ukulele, so either one.
What one do you prefer if you have to pick?
What, piano or the ukulele? As an instrument, or are you playing it? Probably the piano.
Really?
Yeah. The ukulele is just like, because sometimes you play the same notes over and over, so it gets a bit like on your nerves, whereas the piano's got a bit of a softer sound and the ukulele's a bit whiny, do you know what I mean?
Yeah. Maybe your mood swings. You're a bit like a yo-yo. Like, I know like girls and boys are like a yo-yo sometimes, but I think it'll be like one, because Tasha's kind of a person that 1 second she's really affectionate and then another second she's like, oh, I don't really want to hug at all. So it's like I'll hug her and I'll be like, when she's really affectionate I really like it because I'm an affectionate person as well. But then when she's not affectionate, you just don't know where you stand with her, because like 1 second she'll be like, give me a hug, and then I'll literally come in the room 5 minutes later and then give her a hug and she'll be like, I don't want a hug. So it's just, I don't know how to act with you sometimes.
Yeah, I understand that.
When it comes to affection.
Yeah, I'm a bit hormonal.
Yeah.
So
But that's alright. How many years are you apart, age-wise?
So I'm 18, you're 14.
4
Just
and a
sort
half years?
Just turned 14, so yeah, about 4.5 years apart, which is not too bad of an age gap, I don't think.
No.
It just means that I can guide you along your path.
Yeah.
Because like I've sort of experienced everything and then you're coming to experience it and I can just give you advice and stuff.
Yeah. Like when I first started my period, I was a bit like, Tasha?
Yeah. A bit scared about it. And I was like, oh, it's nothing.
You helped me put my first pad in.
Yeah. My god. I get the worst period pains. It's always on the first day.
My back hurts sometimes.
Yeah, that's period pains.
But aren't you supposed to tat here as well?
No, not always.
Hmm.
It's just sort of in that area.
Yeah. Right, Tish, this one's for you.
Tasha, if you could go back to secondary school, would you change anything you did?
Secondary school's like high school, kind of. Is it? I don't know.
It's like from the age of 11 to 17, 18, if you go to sixth form. If I could go back to secondary school, I would start sifting out the bad friends from the beginning, rather than just sticking them out and trying to please them when it was just making me unhappy. So, yeah, and it's worked out for the best because I've got some really good friends now.
A couple of people have asked what are our favourite Netflix programmes or series.
Oh. I found this so hard.
I like loads of different series for different reasons. Like, there is the light-hearted series.
And different moods.
Yeah. Some of them that are light-hearted you can just have in the background, whereas others you have to watch.
I like Power. Like, I don't think it's for your age, but...
No, I don't watch that, but for the older demographic.
Yeah. Power's really good. Orphan Black's also good.
Yeah, it's a cool concept 'cause it's like she's so different people.
It's like about cloning. I actually found Orphan Black really interesting. What about you?
I enjoyed Pretty Little Lies at the start.
And then it just went a bit downhill.
Yeah, like the actual A person was really like upsetting.
Disappointing.
Yeah. I do like Gossip Girl, so I feel like it's something you can watch over and over and over again.
Well, Nikki will tell you about watching a series over and over. How many times do you watch it now? 6?
15 probably. Like literally, because I watch all the series, have a break from it, and then I kind of forget what happens.
Really?
Yeah. I wish that they had 90210 back on Netflix.
I enjoyed that.
Because I like don't remember it anymore. And then they removed it from Netflix. I hate when they do that.
They were going to remove Gossip Girl at one point.
I know.
Do you remember? And then I think everyone like...
Probably like petition.
Caused a massive scene about it.
The Vampire Diaries.
Oh, that was really good.
How could we forget about that?
It's because it was so long ago. I might rewatch that actually.
Yeah, it's so good. I'm watching the originals at the moment.
I didn't like the originals.
I found it quite interesting.
The first few episodes are exactly the same as the Vampire Diaries, aren't they?
Yeah.
Like, I think it recaps, and then I watched it and I was like, this is so samey.
Yeah. No, it gets better. Because it is interesting.
Vampire Diaries, for sure.
It's so good. Oh my god, the ending made me cry.
I don't feel like I remember, don't tell me.
Rewatch it. It was a series that, when it ended, like, you didn't feel like... what's that word? You didn't feel unsatisfied. Like, you felt satisfied with the ending. Whereas I feel like with some series, they like dragged on a bit and then the ending was just not great. That's amazing.
Is that a Netflix original?
RuPaul's Drag Race? No.
Oh.
To All the Boys I Loved Before that's really good.
Yeah, I've watched that, that's alright.
I thought I would like not like anything more than Kissing Booth, but I preferred that to Kissing Booth.
Really?
I preferred the concept.
I did like both of them, but I did think they were a bit for a younger audience.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. Funniest memory together?
Mine's the Croatia one. Yours is definitely from when we were younger. My funniest memory of Nikki.
Oh, never forget this.
It was actually quite a recent one. Last May, we're on holiday in Croatia. So, was it last May or the year before?
Last year.
Yeah, last May. Holiday in Croatia. Got to put my feet down for this. So, Nikki was wearing bikini bottoms that tie on either side, so you've got to like retie them and like tighten them. Nikki was like, Tasha, can you tie my bikini bottoms up for me again because they were a bit loose?
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, no problem. So I've untied. I think I've done one side.
Yeah.
And then I've gone to the other side, untied it, and then a beetle.
This mammoth beetle!
Imagine this big beetle. Even I was a bit scared, but I kept my cool.
It was huge because it was buzzing as well. It was like...
It was like a big blue beetle came flying towards her, and Nikki did not care about her dignity. She literally ran. So, bearing in mind the strings from her bikini bottoms have just slipped out my hand. So her bikini bottoms have just fallen down as she's running away in front of all of these people on the beach, and they're all looking at her like, oh my god, like, these girls are naked running on the beach. And I didn't even stop her, I just sat there and started laughing. The best bit was when Nikki realised that her bikini bottoms were down to her feet. And she was like, oh my god, Tata! And then She got a magazine and rolled it up and tried to attack it. That was the funniest thing though. You're literally running along the beach half naked in front of all these people.
See, you've never done anything like that. I'd probably say that's mine as well.
That was a very significant.
Like before that, I'd say when we were younger, we used to like play games with knickers on our head, didn't we?
That's embarrassing.
But now I'd say it's that. Like that's a memory I'll never forget.
Yeah.
Okay, if you were stuck on a oh I thought it said desert island. If you were stuck on an island, let's just say a desert island, and you could only take 3 things, what would you take? I'd take lip balm.
Oh, okay.
Because my lips get
That'd be
so
one
dry.
of your 3 things.
Lip balm, an endless, unlimited food supply.
No, 3 things.
Oh, okay.
And you choose lip balm.
Well, my lips get really dry.
You have 3 things on an island to live. A dry lip's not gonna kill you.
Water.
Yeah, clever.
Water, sushi.
Nikki.
Water. Water.
She's gonna last. Right, I take a water filter for water to like.
Yeah.
For obviously. I don't think we'd last on each desert island together.
My tummy hurts.
I think it's too much food. All I can think of is a water filter.
I said water, you said
A flint.
What's that?
I think.
You're so bad on a desert island.
I think that's what you light a fire with. I think. Let me know in the comments if it's a
Would you not take a bite? What's in this pizza?
I need to think resourcefully.
Yeah.
And one more thing.
Would you
Probably
take
a
change of
saucepan.
A saucepan.
That's really hard. 3 things is really hard. Okay, we've got to stop. I'm actually getting my cheeks are aching. Oh, breathe.
Not a saucepan.
I just said a saucepan rather than cloves.
Water. A spare change of clothes, and then maybe like if there's like a beach or like some sea there, then I could just wash my clothes in the sea.
Oh, clever.
Yeah, and then
They'd probably be a bit salty, but
that's alright.
that's alright. You're not gonna eat them.
No. How do you tell your crush that you like them?
Interesting.
I've never told my crush that I like them. If you can do that, that's amazing. But I personally would be too scared.
I wouldn't be scared.
I would.
But yeah, like I think I'm quite chilled in the sense that I just don't feel like I've got to put it out there how I feel like straight away.
Yeah.
I'll just wait for the guy to tell me, and if he doesn't, then there's certain things that you can pick up that will just make you'll just know, like they want to talk to you all the time.
Yeah.
Etc. Want to see you all the time.
Yeah, which basically indicates like if
they
you're
do like you.
yeah, exactly. And if that's the case, then I think it's totally fine if you're just like I like you.
Yeah.
But then if you're a bit more like unsure,
if you've literally been talking to this person for a few weeks, then maybe
and you
hold
feel
out
like,
for a little bit.
Yeah.
But as it progresses, maybe just say like, what do you want out of this? And
Yeah.
then maybe that'll give you more of an idea if you want to stick around or you want to just move on.
Yeah.
Don't rush
Yeah.
into anything because it could ruin everything.
Yeah.
And it might scare them away if either they're not feeling the same or they're not on that level yet, and it's sort of, it does take a while to build it up.
Totally.
So
Build up the courage as well.
yeah, so just don't rush.
If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Me and Tasha are going to do mukbangs more often.
Yes.
But like different cuisines.
Different cuisines, yeah.
So like Chinese,
McDonald's.
yeah, loads of different
Not that
ones.
McDonald's is a cuisine,
No.
but
So let us know in the comment section down below where you'd like us to get food from in our next mukbang. Make sure to check out my video. Make sure to check out Tasha's video.
Come on, let's just get this done because I'm about to crash and burn.
Make sure to check out Tasha.
Just deep breaths.
Make sure to check out Tasha's video on her channel. And
yeah, we're doing the sibling tag.
Yes, we are doing the sibling tag.
Okay, come on, let me just do it. Just don't look at me.
What is going on? I think they put something in this Domino's. I really do.
We're going to be doing the sibling tag.
We are.
So head on over to my channel to check that out.
I will link it down below. I love you guys so much and we'll see you very soon. Bye guys, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Oh my god.
What's wrong with us?